You are looking at a brown 2008 Buick Allure CXL, which is an excellent car, has a comfortable ride with lots of power for highway driving. It should provide good, reliable transportation with minimal maintenance required and should exceed your expectations. It's fully loaded with power driver's seat, remote start, reclining front bucket seats, airbags, dual zone air conditioning, anti-lock brakes, traction control, 16-inch aluminum wheels, XM satellite radio, driver information center, anti-theft system, OnStar, CD player, 6-speaker system, along with its 3.8-liter V6 engine and front-wheel drive powertrain, makes this the right sedan for you. Come down to Fort Macleod, Alberta and test drive this great-looking Allure for yourself. We invite you to Schuylkill Motors in Fort Macleod, where it's tradition you can trust. We are located at 869 12th Street, 90 minutes south of Calgary and 30 minutes west of Lethbridge. Have yourself a great day.